Your client pulled their IRS transcript and now they are panicking. Here is how to walk them through it without making things worse. Rule 1. Never show them the raw transcript. Codes like 570 and 971 look alarming to someone who does not know what they mean. Lead with the outcome, not the codes. Say this instead. Your return was filed and processed. The IRS applied your credits. Your refund was issued on this date. Or, the IRS is reviewing one item on your return. Here is what they are looking at, and here is what we are going to do. Rule 2. Translate timing. Clients want to know when, not what code. Instead of code 846 posted on April 3rd, say your refund was sent on April 3rd and should arrive within 5 business days. Rule 3. Only escalate what requires action. If the transcript shows a routine sequence, tell them everything looks normal. Do not explain every code.
Save the detail for situations where they need to sign something or provide information. Transcript Tax Monitor Pro generates plain English reports you can share directly with clients. No codes, no confusion, link in the description.